In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find airline credit in Expedia 2026 step by step. We'll walk through exactly where your airline credits live in your Expedia account so you can see what you have, what's expiring, and what the rules are before you book. Airline credits are typically issued when you change or cancel a flight, and they're tied to the traveler name and often the original airline. Keep that in mind as we navigate. Start by opening your browser and going to expedia.com. You can do this on desktop or laptop for the clearest view. The mobile app works too, but the menu labels may look slightly different. If you aren't already signed in, you may be prompted to log into the account where the original flight was booked. Using the correct account is important since credits won't show up under a different profile. Once you're on the Expedia home dashboard, you'll see the familiar search area for flights, stays, and more. Look toward the top right corner of the page. That's where your account controls live. You should see either your profile photo, your initials in a small circle, or a generic user icon. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. A small drop-down will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Account. This opens your full account area where you can manage trips, payments, preferences, and credits. Inside the account page, focus on the left-hand side panel. This side navigation lists sections like Profile, Payments, and other account tools. Look for the item labeled Credits. It may say Credits or Airline Credits depending on your region. Go ahead and select Credits. You'll now land on the Credits page, which shows your active airline credits. Here, you can review each credit's airline, the amount available, the traveler name it's tied to, and the expiration date. Some entries also include usage notes, such as whether the credit must be used on the same airline, whether any fare difference applies, and if there are blackout dates or booking deadlines. Take a moment to scan the details. Verify currency, confirm the traveler name matches the person who will fly, and check the expiration date so you can plan ahead. If you don't immediately see a credit you're expecting, make sure you're in the correct account, refresh the page, and confirm you canceled or changed the flight in a way that created a credit rather than a refund. That's it. By going to Expedia, opening your profile, selecting Account, and choosing Credits on the left panel, you can view all your available airline credits in one place, complete with the terms you need to use them confidently on your next trip.